To replace the transfer belt, power the machine off by holding down the shutdown restart button until turn off power appears on the display screen. Then, press the power switch located on the left side to the off position. Next, open the lid from the center and remove all drums and toners, keeping them locked together. Locate the blue locking tabs on either side of the transfer belt to release. Locate the two lift handles found on both ends of the transfer belt. Grasping these handles, lift from the right side first, then the left as seen here. To insert the replacement transfer belt, grasp the two lift handles and place the left side into the groove slots first as seen here. Then, lower the right side down into place. Lock the replacement transfer belt into place by pressing the blue locking tabs back down. Reinsert all drums and toners, then close the lid from the center and power the machine back on.